Do you want to advance in your career or earn some extra money? The best way to progress in your career and earn more money is to enrich your skills. Having a well-developed skill set makes your resume stand out from the others. It also increases the chances of promotion and gives you a bargaining power in compensation negotiations. If you learned something today, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and welcome back to The Wealth HQ. Digital marketing. If you are tech savvy, creative, and have an aptitude for advertising, go for digital marketing. Digital marketing is a component of marketing. It uses electronic devices and digital media platforms to promote products and services. Depending on your position, you can earn up to 6 digits a year. Digital marketing is a field with a lot of potential. With the rise of digital platforms and increased usage, the need for digital marketing is also growing. Overall, digital marketing offers a very diverse career path, hence the need to choose your specialization. Here are some areas of digital marketing for your consideration: search engine optimization, search engine marketing, content marketing, influencer marketing, content automation, campaign marketing, data-driven marketing, e-commerce marketing, social media marketing, and email direct marketing. Also, ebooks and games have become a commonplace for digital marketing. Digital marketing also happens offline on non-internet channels because they also provide digital media. For example, mobile phones through SMS, callback, on-hold mobile ringtones, and TV. Choose your specialization and improve related skills for more profit. In essence, you don't need any extra qualifications for digital marketing, but you should take courses on digital marketing to increase your chances of landing a job. Copywriting. You have undoubtedly been clickbaited a few times, right? Where a very intriguing headline made you click it and read it, or maybe even buy a product. Well, that's just a side of great copywriting. You might have heard, writing doesn't pay for bills. That's very much wrong in sales copywriting. If you are great at creative writing, copywriting might just be the money-making path you need to take. Furthermore, you only need a laptop, a good Wi-Fi connection, and your creative thinking ability to have a successful copywriting career. Usually, you can work as a freelance copywriter. It is also possible to get a job as a copywriter in marketing departments, copywriting agencies, advertising agencies, or public relation firms. Moreover, copywriting skills come in handy in many marketing areas, like content management, editor, SEO specialist, etc. Great copywriters are very hard to find in today's industry. Thus, improving your copywriting skills will give you an advantage over others. Moreover, people will pay a good price for well-written content. Well-written content as an intriguing headline addresses people's inquisitions very clearly and engagingly. In addition, good copywriting must grab the reader's attention and encourage them to take action. For example, buy a product, visit a page, subscribe to a newsletter, and so on. Design. UX, graphic, or visual. As a designer, you can bring out your creative side with eye-catching visuals and graphics. There isn't much of a limit to what a designer can illustrate. Design is an excellent skill to have if you want to be self-employed and work as a freelancer. You can charge more money when you have gathered enough skills and experience. Generally speaking, a visual designer is all about visualization. On the other hand, a graphic designer can use typefaces, colors, images, and many more. Graphic designers communicate information. In contrast, visual designers focus more on the product and brand identity aspects. Besides that, another distinguishing factor is money. Even with similar qualifications, the rate for visual designers is a bit higher than for graphic designers. User experience designers, UX, are focused on interaction. More specifically, designing of the interaction between users and the site or elements of the user interface. It includes things like site navigation, design, and functionality, among other things. Even though this is relatively new, the pay rate is pretty good. Besides, the user experience designers need is supposed to grow over the years due to technological advances. This is why it's one of the most profitable skills to learn. While excellent drawing skills come in handy in design jobs, you need to be adept at using software as well. Most designers have to be expert in Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and so on. Also, you can learn from a free software like Canva. Proficiency in these design softwares is also essential for working both online and offline. Learn the basics or brush up your skills with these graphic design and UX design courses. These courses will help you sharpen your designer skills and earn some big bucks. The sky's the limit. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave us a like down below, subscribe for more money making tips and methods. This has been The Wealth HQ, and see you in the next video.